to Wally channel, and it's the very first time that we're unboxing something for the channel, and this is what we're going to unbox today. It's called Apple Watch Nike edition 44mm space gray watch. Right, so let's get down to it. Right, so let's see. There's a little thing that you can pull. Whoops. Okay. Okay. Let's take it slow and gently. This thing. Yep, done. Okay, let's open it. Well, how do you open this? There seems to be something here. Okay, how does this work actually? I probably want to lift this up. I think there's this thing, this 1 and 2. So let's lift this thing up somehow. I don't know how to do this. What am I supposed to do? This seems, oh, there it is. I lift this up. It's like lifting, and then I'm lifting this one again. Yep, that's great. Okay, and then here comes the watch. Whoa, there's 2 boxes to this thing. I don't think there's anything left inside. Look. Done. Look, Nike. We have the Nike watch. Let's see. Nike Sport Loop. This is my Sport Loop. Look. It says hook and loop closure reflective thread detail. Designed for Apple Watch Series 4, works with any Apple Watch. Okay, oops, I need that. Sorry, I need this. Okay, now let's unbox the actual thing. Done. This is the 44mm. There's a 40mm, but I got the 44. Whoa, look at that. It's in a little thing by itself. That's it. It's so cute. Look. See, the watch is on this side, and the rest of the stuff, I don't know what is there. Oh yeah, there's the charger cable. There's the adapter. And look, it's cute. Look, there's my little watch. There it is. Cute. That's it. That's the unboxing of the Apple Watch 44mm Space Gray Sports Loop.